How to fix sorry we couldn't complete your request on Instagram free. It's easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. It's easy if you want to fix it. First go to settings. Now once you're here, just scroll down until you find apps and then click apps. Now click go to Fritz and click force stop and then go to storage, clear cache. After that, just go back and try again. If that doesn't fix your problem, then turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on again. Now just wait, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed. Just try again, wait, and that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.